Hey you guys. Literally me. I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hello and welcome. Am I supposed to say welcome like new viewers and or returning viewers? Because I see that that's like a common thing to do in like YouTube videos. And I'm sorry if I don't do it because I'm just being me in my videos, and if I forget, that's me. So for today's video, iMethod Beauty reached out to me again. If you guys remember, I did a demonstration video on their winged eyeliner stamp, which is what I am wearing today. They were now advertising their brow stamp kit on Amazon, and if I would be interested in trying it out and making a video. And I was like, brow stamp kit? I am interested in trying that because I have seen some videos of other beauty people that have been using it, and I've always been curious. I'm like, does that actually work? I do pencil in my brows. Right now, if you can see, I do not have anything on my brows. I have my face done, but I did not do anything to my brows because we are going to open this baby up, try it out for the first time together. Hope you're excited. Okay, so the lovely folks at iMethod Beauty sent me over one of their brow kits. This is what the packaging looks like. Define yourself on the side, and the back has all of their socials. Color 03, which looks like a soft brown. Let's go ahead and open this baby up. You know I love a good reveal. Ooh, so here is the kit. This kit on Amazon retails for $19.97. I believe they have a 5% off coupon on Amazon right now if you go and add it to your cart. It also comes in 8 different colors, so I'm pretty sure you can find your shade range in what they have available. Of course, the first thing in the pack is instructions on how to use it, how to measure your brow. I ran through them pretty quickly. It does look pretty simple. Again, we're just gonna try it together. You also get 2 packs of the actual eyebrow stencils, and I've already gone through them and I picked out 2 of the shapes that I believe are close to mine. Again, we're gonna figure that out together, but they are just simple plastic stencils that show you where to line up the brow, and you can flip them on either side to do either brow. Obviously, the pomade that you will be applying to your brow, so it's in a little pot. So this is the color 03 brown. And then the 2 tools that you're gonna be using to apply the pomade, and then I guess kind of shape them up a little bit once you've got the pomade on your face. Got the little sponge tool that you're gonna dip in the pomade and then stencil over the plastic piece. And then this is obviously a little brush to shape and then to comb. I'm gonna kind of zoom you in just like a tiny bit. We are just gonna try to put this stuff on and see how it goes. Well, hello. All right, I've got my hair clipped back. We are going to try stencil number 3. If you see up here, they are numbered in the corner, and they also have little directions like start here at the tail of your brow and move over to the lines indicated here. So that's what we're gonna try first. I have my mirror right here, so I'm gonna turn to the side a little bit. Now I think this is where the hard part's gonna be, is actually like holding it on the brow with one hand and then putting the pomade on with the other hand. Okay, so if you look, I've got most of my brow, actually pretty much all my brow in there right now. And I'm just gonna take the little brush and dip it in the pomade. The instructions said a little goes a long way, so that's how we're gonna start. And they also said to start from the tail moving forward, because you know the ombre brow is like really in, and you should probably have it darker towards the end. So here we go. I hope I'm getting some stuff in there, but we're gonna go light first. We don't wanna go too heavy. We can always add, you can't take away necessarily as much. All right. I'm nervous about this. All right, let's go ahead and remove. Oh. Wow, okay. Okay, that's Actually, not too bad. I'm not mad about that at all. Wow, that actually gave a pretty decent shape. If you want to compare, this is my brow with nothing. This is with the first attempt at the stencil. Okay. All right then. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of fill that in, and then I love to brush the hair up. It kind of just, I feel like, disperses the product a little bit more evenly. Looks like when I did that, I got a little bare spot right there. So that's why they give you the brush, because they say you can go in and kind of fill in some areas that the stencil might not have covered. But yeah, I mean, even right here, it's like a pretty good fade. Wow, not mad about that. Not mad about that at all. Let's go ahead and try the second side. What I'm gonna do is keep the same stencil. I am just gonna kind of clean it off with some micellar water. Do you see what a difference a brow makes? I mean, it literally just like defines and frames your face. We're gonna go ahead and just use the same stencil, but we're gonna flip it around. Now that I know, I'm gonna actually put some product on the brush prior so that I'm not like standing there and, oh man. Okay, sorry, I'm going into my mirror, and I'm gonna line up the tail and then push it to where my brow is. And then start from the back. Doing something on camera for the first time is always like kind of like, whoa, what is it? You know, obviously when you get better at these things, it comes out a little bit better. But you know, we're just trying it because that's the fun. Ooh, okay. I am pretty impressed with how long that took and how easy it was, because man, you know, sometimes I'm standing in the mirror trying to like line up these brows for a very long time. This is actually a pretty good shape for me. Wow, okay. I'm gonna clean up this stencil and then wash my brush, close the pot. Make sure you close the pot because this stuff will dry out. I'm speaking just on all pomade experience in my life. I'll be right back with my hair down and we'll talk about my thoughts. All right, we're back. So guys, I have to say that for the first time of using this product, I mean, like, I'm pretty impressed. I can totally get away with this as a brow today, tomorrow, maybe for the rest of my life. I mean, it's a really nice shape. The shading is good. It doesn't look like too fake. And I didn't have to sit there and like try and line up like all of my little bristles by myself with my little thin eyebrow pencil. So I'm actually giving this an A+ because I think for the time it took, and I think once you get better at it, it'll go even faster and you can maybe get even better results. But like, honestly, this was pretty freaking fantastic. This is iMethod Beauty. I have their eyeliner wing stamp on today, and I obviously have the brows on. So great little company here, available on Amazon. I will put a link to this product below, and let me know if you have any questions regarding the eyeliner or the eyebrow stamp. But I'm pretty impressed. I like that a lot. Thank you for taking that journey with me and experimenting for the very first time. If you could like this video, it really does help me out, or dislike it. Either way, it lets me know if you're having a blast. And if you could hit that subscribe button so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be awesome too. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I will see you on the next one.